Hello, my name is Ghulam Abbass, and in our previous video we built a project on Laravel and we added a basic authentication in just a few minutes, and we built this project. So in the same project I'm going to add the Laravel APIs. So there are two simple ways to do that. So the first step is to create a product table. So in the product table we will just add a few products and we will make the APIs to add the product uh, and to show the list of the products. So the first step is to make the product table. For this, open your terminal and write php artisan make model, and name of the model is product. Just write dash and mcr. So this will make the model, controller and the migration with this single command. So our model, migration and controller is ready. So the next step is to go to your VS Code and open the migration file, product table, and we are going to add a column for product name. Just save it, go back to your terminal and run this command php artisan migrate. So this will create a table inside our database, and it will have an ID, name, and the some basic column which Laravel will have. Okay, so our step 1 is done. In our step 2, there are 3 sub steps. So first we have to create a API controller. Go back to your terminal and write php artisan make controller space, and then write the name of the controller, API controller. Press enter. So our API controller is ready. Next we have to make these two methods in the API controller. Go back to your VS Code, press command P and find your controller, API controller. So this is our controller. I'm gonna make two methods, public function add. So this function will add the product, and the other function public function, so this will show all the products inside our database. So to add our product, what we need to do is to return the product which we just add, product create, and then name of the product is which we will pass from the URL. So it will be inside our request name. Okay, so this will add the product, and to show the product we will just return product all. So our product is not defined, so what we will do is that we will define here use app models product. So this is done. So our methods are ready. So now we need to make the routes for them. So for the web application we make the route in our web.php file, but for our APIs we have another file which is called api.php, this one. So we make the route for our API in this file. There is one route already created. We will just add our own routes. Write route and then get. Inside the get, write the URL add, and then pass an array. The first parameter will be API controller class. The second parameter will be the method name add. Same for the show method show. So we need to define this API controller. This is already there, API controller, and it looks nice. So let's go ahead and run the project. Here we have this project, and I'm gonna go to the API / add, and the name of the project is iPhone. Press enter. Cannot connect the server. Alright, so we need to run the project. Here php artisan surf, and then go back, refresh. So this is showing an error. So the error is to add the name to the fillable property inside our model. So let's do that. Go back to your product.php file and here write protected guarded equal to empty array. So that means that no column is being guarded, so we can write any column in our table. So go back here, refresh the page. This is done. So our iPhone is added in our product table and the ID is 1. So let's add another product here. Let's add Apple. So we have two products, Apple and iPhone. Okay, so there might be some other rows inside our table. So we have ID 5 here. All right, so let's go back and fetch all the products from here. API/show. So this will show all the products. So we have total seven products, and then I'm gonna add another one. Add equal to name equal to laptop. So laptop is added, and if I go back to API/show, it will show me the laptop here as well. All right, so let's go back to our list. So the step 1 we did that, we just added a product table, and in our step 2 we created the APIs. In my next video I will show you how you can protect your APIs by using the token authentication.